Here is the new. What up, what up? We're currently in Lino's 34. It was me and Lino's wedding anniversary yesterday, so we had a day off and went on this gnarliest hiking. Oh, I'll put clips from yesterday. We took some pictures. It was best view. So here's the picture. ここで入れてね. And we had a nice day yesterday and stayed at hotel. But today I'm going to pick up a new car. I think this will be my car. So stay with us. I gotta show you guys my new car. This will be a fun car for the channel. But I wanted to show you guys Lino's 34 current situation. Here it is. We installed the side skirt and rear strap and just waiting to paint this thing. What do you guys think? It's coming along. It really matches the front lip and it's not too low. It's a OEM option aero style, so we can get in everywhere and looking good. Can't wait to paint this. But first, let's go. Before we go get my new car, let's go get coffee.
Let's go.
We were trying to go to this local cafe, but it didn't open till 10, 11. It's about almost to 10, so we're just here at Starbucks. Let's go. Really wanted to go local ones, but we didn't have any choice. So it's Japanese Starbucks. Let's take a picture. Stand right there. Oh. If there wasn't K-truck behind it. But this shop is sick. Are you guys enjoying this countryside scenery, B-roll? Well, we got more to go. Enjoy. Ready? Here is the new S15. Yes, sir. He's the owner of the S15 Promote. And he hit me up on Instagram and he said he has S15 and I couldn't pass it. Thank you so much for letting me know.
Thank you.
I was looking for something like this. I think this will be my car. I'm gonna drift it.
Yeah, cool.
I was looking for something like this. My S15s are too clean. I didn't want to make it a drift car.
I see, yeah.
I needed something like this. Haven't been crashed.
Yeah, I think
Super straight. We already have a full roll cage with the door bar. He found this ramen place. It looks so good in the picture. And parking lot is packed. It must be good. Oh, there's already people lined up inside. 30 minutes. It was so good. Yeah. Quick stop, gas station. Filled it up. Alright. This is sick. Already has my favorite bread seat and has a fully working AC. Ice cold. Defi gauges. ETC reader. Turbo timer. This is like the one I wanted to build, but it's already done. Before we go home, I gonna stop by Eot's new house and go hang out. So I will see you guys there. That was a long drive. We've been driving almost 2 hours. And we found this car wash. So Linda's car got really dirty. Got mud splashed while she was parked. So we're gonna get it cleaned up before we go to Daikoku. We made to Josh's house, but he's not here. His house is far. And it has a side parking too. Nice. Just waiting on him to get here. He should be pulling up. I'll be wait for him in the front door. Look at this guy in his minivan. Creeping.
Film this?
No, you can.
Does everyone know you got a new car? Hey, that's okay. Hi.
I never see you with the glasses.
You like my house, dude?
Bro, it's fat.
It's pretty sick, huh?
I like your bike too.
Yeah, I just bought that. I'm gonna park up and
and turbo. I can hear a turbo from this. Josh's garage is so sick. And here's his house. It's so futuristic house. Do you guys like your new house? Yeah. It's so cool. You're gonna do a house tour soon, yeah?
Yeah,
So go check out on
You
his.
can go show it. I don't care, but don't post the video yet.
Alright, I'll just.
Or you can, yeah, go ahead, walk.
Yeah, check out his YouTube. I'll just quickly run. Yeah, it's cool. His house is so cool. Well, we'll come back again to come hang out, but we're gonna go to Daikoku. It's Friday night, and finally, Lino in her car, and I'm in new S15, and Josh can take his 34. This is actually first time we're going Daikoku together.
I haven't been since 6 months ago.
Wow, it's summertime, so it's really hot, but this shot is tight. We made it, found Johnny's car, and we parked. Lino parked here.
Lineup is sick.
Our lineup. Hello. 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 Long time no see. Did you go lower recently?
No.
No? Looks lower than before. You gangster. This guy eating something at the car meet. Actually, a lot of cars here today.
Last time it was like this, but there wasn't that many cool cars. These are like hello?
Yeah.
S15s are just normal.
Oh, hey beauty. Hey beauty, where have you been?
Oh, super clean. Dude, bone stock Zenki.
Alright,
I like this.
there is a lot of cars.
Nice to see you.
Hi, bar.
Thank you. What's up, Gabe?
What's up, Gabe? Oh, is that Gabe?
That's Gabe.
Bro, there's so many.
So many Hutchins.
I've seen this before. I think in Yokosuka. And Tacoma's here. Oh, hey, John.
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey. What are you doing? Where's your car? Who's this tall Australian guy? His pink head peeking up. Let's go camping. Should we put this on your 34? Let's go camping.
Let's go.
Kota to Yoda, my favorite YouTuber from DK.
What's up? Hey, this is cool.
But your old stage is here.
That's the same kit. That's the same kit. My stager had this kit. Oh, look at that. Sexy.
Fun this. Fun this.
Arigato. Oh, there's the IT guy.
Been a while.
Hello,
That's the IT guy.
Mr. IT guy, is that what you call me? I love the soy milk sticker on the phone. Oh wait, is that your phone?
Not my phone. That's a cool guy.
That guy is cool, dude. He's so freaking cool, bro. are the kind of people they kicked out. Get us kicked out of here.
Get that angle, dog. Look at all the 86 here. Hachiroku. This is so good. The brothers. We're just sitting up top, watching everyone. Hey, what's up?
Home? Oh, you're not
Hey,
going home.
welcome back.
What's up, brother? I was about to go home right now. Actually, stay here.
Here's my
I'm
wife.
not gonna leave. Exactly. Bye.
Here's my wife leaving.
Oh, nice.
Bye.
Thank you so much. I know we're about to leave, but we're definitely gonna pick a day and we can
Yeah.
go do something. Yeah, let's do it. Even if we go get food. Yes.
How long you gonna be here this time?
August 3rd. So I go to
It's so
Hakone.
short already.
I know. I've been here for a week already though, so.
It goes by so fast.
3 or
though,
4 days.
when you're doing stuff.
Yeah,
every day.
dude,
Every day.
I'm so exhausted. Like I can't catch up because I'm like we're out till fucking 2 a.m. and we get up
Yeah.
at like 7 to
And
go
then
do
you
more
edit,
shit.
and then
I gotta edit.
you're
Yeah.
gnarly.
You're doing so gnarly every day. Hello, everyone whips out the camera. Ah, hey, this is the guy. Rinno Maro. Otsukaresama desu. What? Rinno model for this man last weekend.
What? Your wife modeled for her last weekend?
Yeah, legit for that car.
That is the thumbnail right there.
He bought it for 130.
Yeah.
I will see you guys later.
See you, dude. Yes. Come tomorrow if you can.
We are ending the night at Izakaya.
That looks bomb, man.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'm gonna finish it here. And
You're gonna post way before me. I don't have time to edit these.
I got editor.
Maybe one day. I gotta edit her videos now. Now she's a YouTuber. Oh god.
You got more work.
Oh dude, it's opposite now, dude. I'm the Nino.
Yeah. You Nino feels you about here. Yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I hope you guys are stoked about S15 as I am. And
Oh, I gotta send you the videos. I have you in the tunnel, just full on bullshit out. So loud, you can probably hear it really clear.
okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time.